Short videos are going viral right now and people everywhere are cashing out big time. But here's the truth: if you don't know how to create your short videos the right way and do it faster, you will miss out. That's why in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to create dozens of short videos quickly and easily, like this one.
The Great Wall of China, a colossal marvel stretching over 13,000 miles. Imagine a structure so vast, it's like the world's longest fence, only with more history and fewer cows. Built over centuries, this ancient barrier wasn't just about keeping invaders out. It was China's way of saying, we really like walls. And yes, it's visible from space, though astronauts probably just think it's a very long, very stubborn snake. Today, millions visit to walk its ancient stones, marvel at its scale, and maybe wonder why anyone thought a wall could solve all their problems. The Great Wall? Proof that sometimes bigger really is better.
For this video, we are going to follow 4 simple steps to achieve our short video creation. So pay close attention, because if you miss one step, you might not get the best result. Step 1. I will leave the link to this website in the description below so you can sign up. And once you sign up and log in, this is what the Clipwise AI dashboard is going to look like. We have 5 types of AI shots that you can create from this website. We have viral faceless shots, we have AI host shots, we have quiz, ready style, e-commerce video, and business videos. This is where you enter in your script. Before you enter in your script, you need to get your video topic right, and we are going to use ChatGPT for this particular process. Let's say your niche is in the travel niche, so instead of stressing about topics, you can use this ChatGPT to generate ideas. For example, in this text area, let's paste in this particular prompt: give me 50 popular places in the world that people would love to visit. And here we are going to send this. And you can see ChatGPT will instantly give you a long list of 50 popular places around the world. You can do this using your own type of niche that you are, but we are using the travel niche as an example for this video. You are going to go through the list that you have gotten. So we have natural wonders, we have historic and cultural sites, we have modern marvels and cities. For this particular video, let's go with the Great Wall of China. So copy that title, and here we are going to go back to Clipwise. So in the text area here, just enter in that particular prompt. I'll go back to ChatGPT again. So for this, I'm going to copy popular places in the world people would love to visit. I'll copy that, then we'll go back to Clipwise. At the ending part of the text we just entered, which is our video title, we are going to paste in that prompt that we use in generating our video idea. After entering that, then we'll come down here. So here we select our coherence. Coherency on this platform, it helps you to keep characters and elements consistent and uniform. So I'll make sure I allow that. You go over to language. So for this, we have different languages on this website, and we are going to go with English. If there's any language you want to select, you can simply select them from this option. So after that, we'll go to duration of our video. We have from 30 seconds video to 90 seconds video, but for this video I'll go with 30 seconds video. Then this is additional settings. Once you click on additional settings, you are going to see tone. So we are going to select the tone for our video. I'm going to just go with formal tone. Then I'll click on style. This is where you select the style of your video. We have from explainer video, storytelling, conversational, and listicles. I'm going to select storytelling because my video is all about storytelling. After that, you select your audience: general, technical, beginner friendly. I'm going to leave the audience. I'm going to select general audience. After that, we'll go ahead to auto animation. Here you can select auto animation, soft animation, fluid, or bold animation. This is the depth of animation you want to have in your video. I'm going to leave it on auto animation. Then we'll go over to visual theme. You are going to come here, click on view all, so that you can see all the visual theme available for you. So here we have different kind of visual theme that you can pick from. We have 3D pizza style, cheap vibe, watercolors, we have documentary style. For this video, I'll go with the documentary style because that is what my video is going to be about. After that, click on this cancel button to go back. If you are satisfied with all your settings, you can then go ahead to click on generate video to start your video generation. So right from here, you can see that video script and the visual for our video has been generated, and this is where we will review our script. We have scene 1, scene 2, and scene 3. Because my video duration was 30 seconds, that is why I have just 3 scenes. If your video is 90 seconds, you are going to have longer scenes in your video. We have visual here, and then we have audio script. This visual text controls the image that you're going to have for this particular scene. So if you want to customize your own scene, you can simply go to ChatGPT and get an image prompt that you can use for this scene 1. The next thing here is the audio script. This is what is going to be said over your video. That is the voiceover that is going to be said over your video. So you can go ahead to edit each of these for each of these scene, and if you are satisfied, or if you are not okay with what the AI has given you, then you can come down here and do some changes. You can write in your changes, make it shorter, anything you want to achieve, and then click on regenerate with feedback, and you're going to get a new script. But if you're okay with the script you have gotten, then you can go ahead here and click on start video generation. Step 2, and this is where you're going to customize your content. So this is where you select the voiceover you want to use over your video. A cool thing here is that you can clone your voice by using this particular option, clone your voice option, on this website. So you don't have to use AI voice. But if you don't want to clone your voice, you don't have a good voice like me, then you can go ahead to use the voiceovers on this website. You click on this play button to listen to how the voiceover is going to sound like.
Let's bring your ideas to life with the power of voice.
With cloud machine learning, your application interprets images.
So for this video, I'm going to go with Brooke, which is this voiceover here. Once that voiceover is selected, here you can add video avatar. So if you want to have a video avatar over your video, you can click add a video avatar here. I don't want to have that over my video, so we just have to scroll down, and this is where you have your visual. From here you can still edit your visual. Here this is the first image for the first scene, and then this is the audio script. If you come down here, this is the second image for the second scene, and here is the audio script. The same thing for the third scene. So if you are satisfied with the images you have gotten, then you can go ahead to the next step. But if you are not satisfied and you still want to edit these images, you can use this edit icon. If you click on this edit icon, it's going to give you option to edit your image. Here, this is the text prompt that was used to generate this image. So you can enter in a new text prompt to generate a new image for yourself. Or if you want the AI to generate image, you can use the regenerate option here to generate a new image. You can convert this image to a video. You can upload an image by yourself. I'm not going to do all that for now. You can add more scene using this option, but for this you are going to come down here and convert all our images into a video, so that we won't just have a still image. So I'll click on convert all to videos. So this is going to take just 30 seconds to convert this to videos. If you see, you will notice that our images has been converted to a video, and we have a nice moving video here. So the next thing we need to do is to come here and click on next. Step 3. So for this customization, we can now then add background music from here. These are different background music you can use. If you don't want to add background music and you want to use music from any website, then you can click on this upload option to upload your background music to this website and use that background music. After setting the background music, you come down here and then you're going to see caption settings. So this is the caption that is going to show over your video. You can select any of these options. Here you select the caption font. So these are different fonts that you can pick from for your caption. Then here is the caption position, where you want it to be positioned, either center of your video or the bottom side of your video. We'll select bottom side. Then this is the caption color. You want to select the caption color for your video. These are different options you can pick from. You can also turn off the caption. If you don't want the caption over your video, you can turn it off using this option. And then the next thing here is the video overlay. So for this video overlay, this is what is going to be like a kind of overlay on your video. So any of these you can pick from. I'm going to select this leak lake. After selecting the leak lake over my video, if you are then satisfied with your video, you can then go ahead to click on next. And finally, step 4. Right here, our video is ready to be previewed. So you can click on this play option to see how the video looks like. Don't worry, I will show you the final result of this video at the end of this video. But here, this is where you can then download your video. If you still want to edit your video, you can go ahead to click on this option. After the video has been downloaded, you can go over to your video topics again and create several videos on each of these topics. Do not forget, the link to this website is in the video description and in the comment section of this video, guys. I will see you guys in my next video.